News TV, all sports. Let's send it now to Mia Kalim.
Thanks, Noel. When you are going up against a giant kagaya daw nitong Philippine Army, sabi ni Coach Nes Pamilar, ang pinaka-importante dito yung tiwala sa sarili at dapat daw hindi ka mabilis ma-demoralize. Sabi nga niya, to make everything work for them here in the second set, kailangan daw kasing bilis ang pace nila kagaya noong first set. Kasi pag nakuha pa daw ng Army ang momentum, mahirap na. Balik sa inyo, Noel.
Well, right now, hindi po nangyayari yun. And 4 touches here against the Philippine Army. Yung depensa sa harapan nitong kupunan ng Cagayan Valley, stellar.
Yep. But you know, para sa akin, di ba you're saying that Cagayan nagpa-practice sila every day. Obviously, it's paying off. Their fitness level, their timing, you know, their familiarity, lahat nandun eh.
Dalia Cruz pumasok, pinalita si Nene Bautista. Here is Angueta Baquero. Nice dig by Jovelyn Gonzaga. Joan Bunag pamimigay. Soriano, Soraya running attack. When it's Eulalio, Sasha Torres cannot get there. 10-4. Grabe ang ginagawa rito. Grabe ang pace na nilalaro nitong Cagayan Valley.
Oo.
And of course, Mikasa is the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Pau Soriano on the serve. Running attack, Joan Bunag. Maizo, Soraya. Tabaquero, Sasha Torres. Mayet, kailangan makipaglaban sa net. Tabaquero. Carolino. Carolino. And there is Bunag.
No, that is out.
Oy, wow.
So
even the very consistent Joan Bunag hindi makapuntos.
That's right. For some league top scorers dito sa game na to for Cagayan, Eulalio with 7. Because that includes 2 blocks and 2 aces.
Yeah.
Tabaquero and Tipachot with 4 apiece. For Army, check this out. Gonzaga with 3. Bunag, Balsa, and Cruz with 1.
Allah. At may hinulog na naman si Soraya. Dumadami na po fans ito si Pomla Soraya dito. And look at this. Ito talaga ang sugal. This is a medical risk now as Jack Alarca sees her first action in 2 games. Tanda po natin, Jack Alarca is playing with a knee injury. Bone on bone na daw halos yan, sabi ni Coach, Assistant Coach Kung Fu Reyes dito kay Jack Alarca.
Oh my.
Oo, perennial problem na ni Jack Alarca yung kanyang tuhod, but kailangan niyang pumasok dito. Still no sign of Rachel Andakis doon kung papasok. Eulalio, nice dig that time by Gonzaga. Dalia Cruz, pipihit. Nice dig. Here is Tabaquero, blocked there by Jack Alarca.
Finally, for Army. But you know, Noel, that's my case. Bone on bone na yung gusto.
Yes.
So I can feel for her because that pain is always there.
And you can see our slow motion replay brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Balsa returns to the front. Si Alarca magsaserve ngayon. Kita mo talaga lahat ng pwedeng gawing padding ni Jack Alarca sa kanyang tuhod nandyan na.
Sakit talaga yan,
Former UAAP MVP. Here's Soraya ngayon. Binalik sa open. And again, yung gulang ni Angueta Baquero.
But really, you know, when you look at the players right now ng Cagayan, no, yung level ng play nila talaga is higher than the first game we saw.
Which they won handily. That's, dalawa na error nila. Pareho kay Angge. 13-6. Serving ngayon, Dalia Cruz. Former Lyceum Lady Pirate. Pomla Soraya ngayon. Tipachot. Hello. Nobody home.
You know, tong Army, parang stunned sila no? Parang, they weren't obviously prepared for this onslaught ng Cagayan.
Well, probably also they weren't prepared for the loss of Tina Salak. Additional blocker din sana nila yun. Mayet going to Ate Michelle. And Michelle gets it on the line.
Well, so far, the Carolino connection working for them. I think that's the second kill para kay Michelle.
The 2 former Letran Lady Knights nagsama dito. Mayet Carolino. Into the net. Yan ang hindi kailangan ngayon ng Army, yung mga unforced errors na ganon. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Balik ulit si Eulalio sa service line. 8 ang abante rito ng Cagayan Valley. Sasha Torres and Michelle Carolino hindi nagkaintindihan. And look at this, a 9-point lead now for the Rising Suns against the Philippine Army.